Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the attempted write to read-only memory blue screen error you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this issue is typically associated if there's a driver attempting to write to a read-only memory segment. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into the solution. So open up the search menu, type in memory. Best match should come back of Windows Memory Diagnostic. Go ahead and open that up. And select where it says restart now and check for problems recommended. Go ahead and select that. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point I should have been able to resolve your problem. One further thing I want you guys to do here as well, open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with a command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart the computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.